What if I told you that there are good reasons why 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1? I came up with this video because I had a very intelligent and smart student in my grade 9 class asking for this particular reason. And I decided to make a video on it. So here we go. Let's start with reason number 1. So let's get what 2 to the power of 3 is, 2 to the power of 2 is, and what 2 to the power of 1 is. 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. 2 to the power of 2 is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. And 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. So if you take a look and go down from 8, 4 to 2, you'll see that you have to divide by 2 each time. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then the next step should be 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. So therefore, 2 to the power of 0 should be equal to 1. So logically, this pattern needs to stay in order for exponents to actually function in math. In this particular concept of exponents, you need it for it to function. All right, next. The next reason is combinatorics. So there's a really fun way to actually figure out how many subgroups you can create. So what I mean by that, I'll do it with an example. So let's say you have one person named Ariel, A for Ariel. Then the number of groups you can make with that one person is Ariel in that group, and also one more, the empty group, no one in it. So those are groups or subgroups. And the number of subgroups we got was 2, because 1 with Ariel in it, and 1 with no one in it, known as the empty set. So then we get 2 subgroups in total. And then consider 2 people, Ariel and Belle. Ariel and Belle are 2 people. So then to make subgroups, we can have Ariel and Belle in one group, so that's one group. Or we can just have Ariel in a group. Or we can have Belle in a group. Or we can have no one in a group. So then in total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 subgroups with 2 people. How about if we have 3 people? For 3 people, let's say we have Ariel, Belle, and Carmen. So then we can have a group with all 3 of them, Ariel, Belle, and Carmen. Or we can have a group with just Ariel and Belle. Or we can have a group with Belle and Carmen. Or we can have a group with Ariel and Carmen. Or we can have a group with Ariel. Or we can have a group with just Belle. Or we can have a group with just Carmen. Or we can have a group with no one, the empty set again. So in total, we have 8 groups here. So the number of subgroups that we can create with one person is 2. Number of subgroups with 2 people is 4. And number of subgroups with 3 people is 8. So if you notice, the equation is 2 to the power of the number of people will give you the number of subgroups. So for Ariel, there's only one person, so 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. And yes, we get 2 subgroups. If we have 2 people, then 2 to the power of 2 is 4. And yes, for 2 people, there's 4 subgroups. And then for 3 people, Ariel, Belle, and Carmen, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And yes, there are 8 subgroups for 3 people. So then how about when there's no people? When there's no people, then the number of subgroups you can create is just the empty set, a group with no one in it. But that's still a group, so that's one group. So that means 2 to the power of 0, because of 0 people, is equal to 1. Okay, so that is another reason. And then the third reason is consider equation y equals 2 to the power of x. And this equation looks like an exponential function on a y-x graph, on a Cartesian graph. And if you make a table of values for it, a table of values will tell you the coordinates of this equation. So if x is 3, y is 8, because you sub in 3 for x and figure out what 2 to the power of 3 is, and that gives you the y value, 8. How about when x is 2? 2 to the power of 2 is 4, so the y value is 4. How about when x is 1? 2 to the power of 1 is 2. How about when x is 0.1? 2 to the power of 0.1 is 1.07, about. How about when x is 0.01? 2 to the power of 0.01 is 1.007, rounded. Then when x is 0, 2 to the power of 0 should be actually very close to 1, especially because this is a continuous function, meaning you can like this graph, draw this graph without lifting your pencil. There should be no gaps. So that is the third reason why 2 to the power of 0 should be 1. If you like more videos, especially one on why 0 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 or 0, please subscribe and leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.